22 years ago, we were just a group of engineers in Taiwan who loved computers. And we asked ourselves one simple question. Why must PCs be trapped inside a bulky tower? What if high performance could live in a smaller form? What if endless possibilities could fit in the palm of your hand? That's how GEEKOM was born. The road wasn't easy. We redrew blueprints again and again just to save a single millimeter. We rebuilt entire structures just to release one more degree of heat. We pushed every machine to its limits until it stayed stable in conditions no one thought possible. To us, Mini never meant compromise. It meant precision. It meant higher standards. Of course, there were doubts. Some said a small PC could never deliver real performance. But we believed that if we kept breaking boundaries, we could unlock infinite possibilities in the simplest form. For 22 years, we've stayed true to one vision: to bring the Mini PC onto every desk, into every home. At 22, GEEKOM is ready for even greater challenges. We will keep building Mini PCs that push the limits of performance and space and keep moving toward the next future. Mini PC. That's GEEKOM.